When working with graphs in Stella, you can right-click Format, Multiple to choose the number format for subsets of the items being displayed on the screen. So if, for instance, I wanted to change all three of these to have a precision of 1 and to not scale, I can then hit the Apply button. And then let's say I wanted to take immune, and I wanted to do something different with immune. Let's say I wanted to take the immune population, and I wanted them to have decimal points and to be scaled scientifically. I can apply that, hit OK. And now you can see that when I scroll through the graph, that immune is formatted differently than the other two. So the multiple format dialog, which you can get through to right-click, Format, Multiple, allows you to format multiple series simultaneously or one at a time using the new Apply button in Stella Architect 3.3.